Love eater. But I see you in my bedroom.
Low that alone, man. I think I carry.
I mean,
how much pound?
You know, see a 5 pound though.
Oh, alright.
But when you turn up someone, what you arch in your back, man.
How man I come here to look our business here, man?
Easy, man. You go to the man on here. You know, if me, I think coming already.
No, I come down.
So you say?
I say a word still. Alright then. You know, so me not go pay until we go drop here.
Me have to think different, man. You know you're going on, man. You thank good to you know.
Nobody go this one. Just calm down. So me go do it now.
Do you do, man? We're there, man. You go walk around so. You see me?
So we link you back later, yeah?
Nah, man. You lie.
Respect. My bestest of friend. How are you there? Me no want nothing, man. I saw me more here for me go. No, me just want to go drop off something. Me maybe run now? Yeah. Alright. Yeah? Me not tell us if you meet me up the road where you there. Me I can't wait till you cause me have sick when me carry it on the road like that.
Alright, come.
Alright. Right. Me mother now, sir.
No man, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah man, you know? Come on, come in people come in your hot place. I sit me ever deliver. And you know me not walk on the road alone.
But I couldn't be a Brazil, my friend. When say I have a deliver?
You don't trust me, man. I just I found thing.
You could have a Brazil doing. Me and my best friend, you see.
Left that this one, man. Come on. She can help me with the bag.
You know, say full amount. You know, say full amount though. Are you weak?
Lucky. I'm tired, man.
You have to start making man walk you out. You good food though.
Your sound hurt.
You're my good friend and you don't know why we never there, you know.
Yeah, good food. You make me buy good food all the while. No man over there, man. No man over there, no mistake.
Last time I checked my bread, you know, you are licking your face, you know. You know what I mean? You know, if you don't come back today, it's a good thing. Hope so your next man, they take off. Love you and deal you good.
Always. Always.
All the things that I photograph, you know, they say, no?
Yo, nobody move, you know. Don't bother move. Don't be off shoot, you know. Don't move. Yeah, man. No move, man. No move. You know, let them move and buck you. Don't move, man. Don't move, man. Yo, wait, we have that bag. Pass the bag.
Me and my bag, man.
Yeah, oh, your bag. Okay.
Yeah, man, I'm my bag, man.
Your bag now? Rotted. I'm a lucky day today, man. So, matter of fact, that's off the right there, son. Where's that for your bag?
Yeah, man, I'm my bag.
You sure say your bag?
Yeah, man, I'm my bag.
You know why my bag?
We just take up here a while ago.
Alright, don't go no further.
Yeah.
A weed in my bag.
Yeah.
So, it's either you're going to tell me a full bag, or you know say you're going to get at least 6 months of jail for that way in my bag.
I'm my bag.
Alright, your bag. Look at miss. I know say them a sort of something you're involved in, you know. weed trafficking and all them thing there. A long time we are scope you out, you know. So if you Rasta willing to take it fall for you, no problem. Me no run no long talking. Just know say he will get one good 6 months.
You know, here Rasta say a thing back, boy, you scope me out. Where you scope me out for? Me a hard working girl, you know.
Come, go on night car.
Yo, just call me sister. Call me sister here.
Go on night car. Alright, and hold on for this and fear to hold on for it. You get away this time, man. Just count your blessing.
Go on where you go. Right, get locked up.
What you mean he get locked up? For what?
They lock him up because they find weed in a one bag when they can.
Weed?
Yes.
Who for weed?
Me no know.
Oh Jesus, how we carry weed go so? Jesus.
In the next
Which police station in there? Which
police
part?
station in there.
You don't know a policeman name. You never get no information from him nor nothing about him
No.
name or so.
Mm-mm.
So come with me now.
No, me have some good deal with me can't go come. Send me regards. The police here 6 months they want to give me for no bail him. So go see where you
6
can.
months?
Yes, go on later.
Jesus.
Alright, B. I met you question.
So can you say you let me out? You couldn't just follow me go down so.
B, son hot man, I can't walk away down there so right now.
Enough of that, me. Me understand say you can't follow me go down further, but me never yet see your brother.
You know, say, you give one heap of talking, I can't manage him in a yard and he go to Zagan for the road with his friend him. You so see him come in now, so you hungry and go thief something.
Oh, so it's a troublemaker? Alright, you are. Right later, yeah? Alright. Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, love you.
Lovita, me can come in.
Come on, come right get me come on. Say hello for me so.
Lovita,
Yes.
one girl can wicked so.
Oh, shall I girl that?
Are you me that talk? What make you so wicked?
What me do?
You really take right for friend. Oh, you wicked so girl. One girl can so wicked. Oh, you tell me say you don't know about the weed. I know yours. Right now they have him down there in a custody. The policeman tell me say me have to go get liar because now I can give him up to 6 months girl. So my brother go to jail take a year thing.
You not even ask me just come and accuse me. When the police stop we, alright, take it down for that we wait till me answer. And if I did him would do the same thing for you, you know too.
Don't even go there, cause me don't believe you. Don't even go there. Because you start telling me like from the beginning. It look like say even if they weren't killing me, nothing would have come tell me. What you say? I him just go do it half on own? I wonder if I hobby, my brother.
Obia? Not sure St. Thomas me come from me, I go talk about Obia. That's why you see me left a place. And from me come and I stay from me a little pretty girl. And me and rise. That's how we grew up. And you ever try to break up me and rise friendship, you know?
Hey, friend, that for sure you say my brother is a loyal friend. You is not a good friend. God didn't know what you do to my brother. You and him not there, you know, so me don't know what make him a give out his heart and his all for you one so.
Me a woman and he understand.
I'm a man and you don't understand.
You can't manage a rough life from the little year of him till now.
You think that you me work a bank. When me in my uniform, me decent, but me not no joke in there. Say any you make my brother go to jail, you will see.
You should make him man kick it down, brother, because you see it's your fall. And you have not do nothing.
It's like when you keep me down now. I know say one of them there make I reach some far in the football business.
Yeah, dog. So because we want to reach one of them big clubs there, brother. So none of them want to play for.
PSG I want to play for still, isn't it?
Liverpool.
Liverpool a good side still.
Why your baller?
My baller, Neymar, my baller.
Van Dijk and my baller, you hear about them man there?
I mean, some know what no find football game, they
And
chop.
Dembele, brother.
Dembele him not to win a them league, you know. He must stay low
You can't get washed up.
But you see man like Bale and them big man there. Ronaldo, Christie.
You see like Pele, him create bicycle. Something more left in football, more left a legacy. You see me? everywhere I go, people say, you there, him create that style. You see me? So I tell him more and be like, brother, more left a big legacy. More left an impact from football career.
But we all can be a legend, you see me? We all can stand up just like Pele, you see me? Because anybody can be a legend. We can go in a history book as him, you know?
That me I say.
Because we young same way, you see me? So we have to just put our mind to the goal and go score it. You see me?
Yeah man, but anyways, on that day I pass out the road, I see a new girl. I'll check her.
Come in.
For her.
Yo, 5 bills there, you know? I have to go share that up, you know?
Sure.
So you have to give me a bills out of that.
Give bills out of what?
You have to give me some out of that.
Me give her bills.
Shouldn't can share up that, you know? Because that wouldn't be unfair if I give me $100 and take 4 bills to yourself. You know?
Me fine me and you.
So what if I did me fine? You are the bigger one, you wouldn't tell me, say, give up.
Because me a bigger one, you'd have share equal.
No, but you need to share equal same way.
No.
Alright, when we got a shop, we'll figure it out.
Bills you get.
Can't give me no $100.
Bills you get.
When time we reach out that shop, you have to see. Alright, you have to share up that.
So, what going on now? But then you're a girl, you know, say something me say I want to look about.
Where you want to look about?
You know, say I want to look about some stew peas and white rice. But anyways, like how you work, I did want to ask you, this accounting, because me get to work and I want to open an account, waiting Scotia or NCB because I really don't know.
NTB better. You see, Scotia, they want too much requirements. But you won't want NTB. But what kind of work you gonna get?
Well, I'm not really sure. I'm going to send out some applications and stuff.
But if you gonna look for work, who gonna take care of your little brother?
He's lucky, you know, a big boy. So he must can take care of himself.
Not true. Well, I'm sorry, so I never tired because I do exercise this morning because when I go to work, I exercise, you know, and go out with myself. And to be tired, I would come up here for some of your stupid because you know say that's my favorite.
Well, you can't come in the evening because it's still not up there.
Alright, that's if you crave my brother know what none of me have. Come and walk you out. You left your phone now. Thank you.
Tell her say girl nice you.
No, that me a talk boy, money me a talk about.
Man, what is it?
We are $100.
The bill me say me a give brother.
What are 5 bills? You can't give me $100.
Brother, I me find the money. You lucky say me a guess no tight.
This man.
Well, like you don't want to take a bill.
You're unfair, you know. Better if I do one girl, they would get $100.
You satisfied with what you get now?
Satisfy everything good still. See girl out the road, me I go get her.
Or you forget her and me she like?
Well, if I use she like, you just a smile.
She a pray me from going in the shop, brother. So how for you forget her?
So through she a pray, you stand up one side over one part. I mean, they give girl lyrics. You just stand up over there, so.
I know what got brother. The girl tell me say me she want her.
But she not tell me in front of my face, brother. So you see like how you she like anything she want, you get it for her. Here. That me I tell you because me nah make no girl clown me out. That nah go up my again. Never. So you see any circumstances you want with she, you go face it.
You go on, man.
You go on. Yeah, me about to go. Cause you nah hold no meds.
Are you now hold no meds? Because me I give bills and anything want take care come about share equal and now you find money.
That's unfair still.
Yeah, the figure man.
Yeah, I forgot. Everything good.
That figure one.
See this? Somebody there. Bonita! Where you do?
I do, man. The breeze and the time just clam me do every minute.
So, you know nothing for me?
Tell you the truth, you know. Yesterday when I came up with sitting them police running down, you know, and take everything, and my best friend get locked up, you know. So it look like, no did this again.
Not because you see me I look, you know, like you see me I play around it, I feel like it's a joke thing. Just when it comes to my money, here, me, I want you to run no joke with me. You hear me I tell you? Me no want you to run no joke with me when it comes to my money. Don't ramp with me, no true. You see me I laugh with them, I don't laugh when it comes to my money, that me I tell you. Just make sure so when time I come back, my money there.
Don't worry yourself, man. Alright. Me go sort out the money and make you get it. Me go try to get a piece of food and make you get it. You hear? Alright.
24 hours.
Later, man.
Here?
Yeah.
This is what you do.
The breeze, me tell about the breeze and the door. Me go look about it and give it to you, man.
You want me to give you that
Me
hand
go
back here?
sort out it.
Why pray?
Yeah, you know.
No, there you may account link though.
Me.
You know, say I want prank more, I go deal in the town though. One madman prank. You see me? So it come like me up on the ground. You see me? And you come kick me and run go beside the person. I mean run it down come there, you see me? Just to catch your reaction. For my channel, put it on my channel. But it's gonna need cheer we, you see me? So we have got link Tugga and make Tugga come help you, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So come on now, go down there now.
Yeah, man. Follow.
Why pray?
There, man, just looking for a day, you know.
You know, say something I deal with for me though.
What that?
Me and this man I go down in the town go do a prank, a madman prank, you see me? Like, me would lie down for one
Oh,
cardboard.
you do a social experiment?
Yes, and him come kick me hard, you know? And go beside of somebody and me run him down. Me I go change him, so I just forward now.
Yeah.
Now make it look too good, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, people, so welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a mad prank, so just stay tuned. Like, share and comment. Stay tuned. Core, go for a stone now.
Remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. One stone now. So nice, eh?
Like, now go on this.
Alright.
Yeah, man, that make more sense. Yeah, me not understand what you do, you know. So you know what you have to go do, you have to go give me a camera, you know.
Alright, hold them at them. Just hide there in the jeep. Alright.
You see a man a forward.
Hey, mad boy, you can't stay here, so man. Get up from here, so. How I'm here, man.
Hey, boy! Where are you?
Yo, a prank.
Yeah, prank, man.
A prank now?
Easy now. You say I want to look at social experiment, me I do.
Social experiment, but social in the book.
Yo, come here, do one more now.
Ready back.
Yo, I'm not laughing, you know, no care, I'm sorry for you.
Prank, man. I want to look a prank for you.
I'm never see you, Tugga. I'm your granny and sister.
You get bail?
You don't get bail. A 6 months, me do be in a bag because we have in your bag. You never tell me say we have in your bag.
Me sorry about that. But me know say the police that come in.
If you tell me say we have more vigilant, you know.
Well, me really sorry about that.
And 6 months you have to come look for me said we.
No, I say that because me come here every day come look for say if you come out and me no see you. The last time me come over there to look for you, then me don't know where your sister do or tell them they say me can't see you, they nah let me in to see you. You know me have your back like that, man.
Well, now my sister me a wait for no call. She look out for me, you know. She come pick me up and now. She got me hard.
So come me can pay your fare.
Listen now, I wait for my sister, she come pick me up. She left the bank and now lock up the bank and I come. And some might look out for me, you know.
So me not look out for you too?
How come? Not $1, you know, if you not give the lawyer. Your life, you not to give $1.
You don't have no money. Call the man them feel weed. That be a problem. You have to wait till they come out to tell the story there. Me can't really stay okay, you know, say police said after me. As me said this evening, me go and check you here. Around your yard, you go there?
Maybe, what if I'm black? I'm not sure yet. This is what I want.
Alright then. Later.
Welcome, baby.
There.
You good?
How you did there?
I'm here for the road to do some things, you know? Is everything good, bro?
Yeah, man. So my brother there, you know.
Who?
See him there.
Who? Him?
How?
Why you prank me?
You know, say I look up at your name, so then do they look of foolishness.
Suppose me did have a gun.
What you do with gun?
Nothing, baby. Joke me out, man. So I want to defend with you.
There, I something you can come.
Well, I hit me, no. You hit me there, I look for.
So where you come for? Me tell you say me hungry, you know.
Alright, me going to cook fast, man. Don't worry about it.
I cook enough because my sister wants some.
Alright, baby. Yeah, love you.
Love you too, baby.
You know something I got to tell us. It don't make no sense me about cook here, man. You cook what beer and get ready and just get about.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, food
Oh,
to
I
eat.
hear.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you jump so quick.
Yeah. Oh. What, my girl?
Yeah, welcome. Hello.
So, babe, meet my best friend. Best friend meet my boyfriend.
Nice to meet you.
So, one go, me on fresh up and something, so we chat a little bit and then me.
Chat a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright. No, yeah, baby.
Yeah. So what, my girl?
But there, you know, I just stay up at my house and I say I'm bored, so I say I go walk and come check you.
Alright then, since I say you're bored, my boyfriend say he's go ready and come to my Garrick's Cafe. So here we are going to do, just ready and come on.
Alright, no problem, I will tag along, so we call you when you're ready.
Alright, we are going.
One, can't get a number.
No. You just walk on, you can't get the number, you don't even know me, you don't even know my name.
No, but I don't really, you know, when I see a beautiful girl, you don't really have to ask them their name because they just get one name, Angel.
Really, me might look like an angel outside, but inside probably not that angelish.
No, me make it angelish, man. A beautiful girl like you.
Hey, you're my best friend, boyfriend. What you do?
Where I want to for the first time I just see this up. I like you. So give me a number. Things can work out between me and you.
Slow it down a notch, Mr. Sir. My friend said you have to bring her out tonight and she said we can come with her. So depends if you treat me good tonight and I see the kind of food them you buy and how you deal with the thing, but we'll see what happens. But no move so fast. You move too fast too.
We don't have a problem with that. That's how you go see the type of man to be. You know, when I say I walk up the road, looking fabulous. Woo! Well, like, you say I'm a spender.
I want to ask you one question. Why you kiss me like that? And when best friend got in the bathroom, what if she did come out and see?
Well, I'm going to tell you the truth. You look so tempting, baby. You didn't have to do it. You say, one of mine could have take peace for the table. Oh, God, man. Look at this. My woman, look at your friend and say she don't have what to say.
Alright then, but next time we can go out different place. This time we don't have to bring Shaka.
No, you're speaking my language, baby. Which hotel? Just tell me the name of the hotel, it don't matter. Credit card I run, baby.
You know, mother like to go travelers.
Travelers, baby. Oh God, come on, man. Why travelers? Travelers is cheap. But if
Alright,
it's
find somewhere expensive then.
go and pay them.
No problem.
No, okay, so it's it. Alright, yo. Put your number in the phone, baby.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, no. You get one already. Satisfied with that. Let me go.
One favorite sister.
Favorite sister? Me and your friend, you know, cause of me and Lovita yesterday.
No go on someone, you know, say so me go on more time. Let me get some other sister.
Give me trip. This already, aye.
Let's me
Come
get
out
some
of my
other
room. Come out of my room.
Me now come on.
Let me go about room and come back here and come out of my room. Look, enough. What this? But you don't listen. Hey boy, you think me and your size give me chips? You don't have no sense, boy. You don't have no sense. You think, hey, your father come in here, come beat up mommy. Nobody feels you come in here, come beat up everybody. You see me attack you, turn up for me, back saying you.
Back so.
Yo, move your back. You think you're man in here? You're man? Are you me attack too? You're man?
Man.
You think me and your size? Tom who? Tom who?
Now you.
Oh, what's that?
Kill the innocent. We are going like you.
What y'all do? What y'all do, little boy? You stop, man. No, stop. You need to know yourself. Stop. No, you need to know yourself. Go on out, man. Go on out.
Enough time she thought enough of me things them out of the fridge, you know. I see she come on and thump her in her face.
So, no, sister.
No business.
Watch me and your ear. Stop.
Yeah, little one, you always behave like a bigger one. Come on, man.
A true love it come in and thump in your face, you know.
Don't worry yourself, I'm going to pies you. Think you're coming to come kill off nobody?
Go on out, man. Just go on. You love the argument. Go on out. Go on out.
See, I look to them now and you say nothing to me.
Not even stop on my, no stop on my arm. I'm going to lick off your face. You know who me be? Go on. We don't need, you know, so we need to find something to do with him. Do come and kill off when we now.
I left me if you left.
You might kill off we now. You need to either go military, booty camp, homes, anywhere. Then if you find and send him.
I left me if you left. Mommy has spoiled mother, so I feel like I'm a man.
I come in, you know. I mean, here one piece of commotion around here. I say, maybe come look. We need to talk to mommy. We need to just one meeting. Come take me little time, bro, my quarters, you know.
Mommy come like him dumb too. I say he dumb when he come and to him, pa.
You come grow in my quarters, you know, cause you can't get chips. It makes sense, cause that's all.
Good evening, mommy. Yes. You need to talk to your son, you know. You need to talk to your son.
So, I know your brother.
You see how things are run right now? Me not have no brother, you know. Me not have no brother. You love spoil him too much, you know. Listen to me when we talk. You love spoil him.
So, you not spoiled too?
No, you murder we as we do nothing, you murder we.
Alright. Say your piece. So you have to say it. Let me hear what you say.
You know, say this man and the little boy nearly must kill me off in a room.
For no reason at all?
Just because me tell him say do not eat me chips. Kind of come in my room, come trouble me things them. I still going to go near me chips. And I talk to him about it and he want to fight me.
Tell lie,
what me I tell lie upon you?
Alright, so you tell me you're part of this story.
I go in the room and I ask her for one little cheese chip. And she said no and she come out and I just eat it.
Yeah, alright. One little cheese chip your brother beg you and you couldn't give him the little cheese chip?
So mommy, What you mean say you have a right?
You have a right to
That's
take it.
what she mean and still.
Take it, because she too mean.
When me him a go beat you in here. It's the same like when your father used to beat us, him a come me take you quietly.
Yes. When he start beat me, you don't help me.
Help you.
Alright. Don't me just come from work, I'm tired. Me don't know argument.
Anyway, mummy, I go on the road and come back.
Alright, baby, go on. I'm going to go with you.
Just
Take
go
care
on
of
with
this. Go on about your business here, girl.
I'm glad me see you, know, say me that go and check.
No, no, yeah, too hot. Me just take a walk out, but the breeze a blow.
And that me say look like rain and go fall.
You know, my sister, I go check. She in the house there asleep though. But different from that though, you know, that bank work she do. She kind of stress out. But just me and I just want to figure out what that is. So we are really different. We're going to jump out now.
You know, say me look one hard patch in my life and it's a 500,000 me I look for borrow from you.
Oh, you feel ask your broke friend for money? Where am I get the money from them breeder? That's $500,000, you know. Where am I get $500,000 from?
Well, I know you don't have it, but your sister work at a bank and things says you could have make she pull off one thing for me tell you.
If me tell my sister say you want, you know, say you not get it, you know that. But me can't talk to her still because I'm also important you want it for. But yeah, what? Don't play with me, you know. Now you're a friend, so I'll do this tip for you. But you know, see, I have to pay it though. You can't take a loan and not pay. You start work, that's all.
Yeah, me start work, man.
No worry yourself then for your work, because get the loan and you pay back the money. It's
Yeah.
weekly or whether I pay back, weekly or monthly?
Monthly.
Monthly, so monthly you pay it back. A simple maths, man. See when I go fall now. So I go back to, so check me by Monday, me get the loan for you. Because I have to, so because I organize to get $1 million for myself. So I can't make it the 1.5, but listen me. Because I look at business transaction I do. I don't know if you go work or not, but no do it. So a girl they say have to give me though. You see have a girl they go give me.
Add that too, all that to me. Have a certificate. Nice girl, black child, chocolate skin, your type. You can't lose.
Girl they active.
Yeah.
But do the things that I like, those flexible, no boring type of girl. Vibes it.
That is it.
Alright, so you can't work. But I say, but talk to my sister. Later I call her back because she has to. Later I call her back and tell her, say, carry to 1.5. Let me say you get 5. Come have a look at Ishan, you show me that deal. I have a next loan somewhere, come I buy a land differently.
Oh.
And I guess I buy 4, I buy 5. So.
A good move that
yeah,
still.
The farm can do some farming. They have a pre-farming, you understand?
Rain are going to start falling, so. Me now, but I go down here when rain fall and nature call. Me know that goes for me. I go before you catch me.
Yeah.
Alright, later.
Alright, take it. Yellow commander for me.
Yeah.
Alright.
What you say? I tell him say place more want to be fixed up in okay. Me tell him that say me have man and man that help me. So me explain to you, but you know some friend like that. He say will help me out. So me will get him money and me go fix up the place and see when we can go find this so. And where we can catch up one place so. And sometimes his spouse come out, you know, so we don't have a privacy. So I go fix up the place and call it a day. What do you think about that?
Yeah, girl, that's same so if you go. You know, so we have to better off yourself. And a long time I want to look at changes to me. I same time I want to see if I can look and work and better off myself. I'm tired of sitting every day. Tired of hard life.
You say if you see him and he asks if me at work, tell him say yes, me get one nice to go work. You know which part you want, tell him so because you trust me like that in a really in no details with what you will want it. So if he tell us if he asks me at work, tell him yes. And tell him say me at work so me can pay him back. But me not have no work.
Why am I selling so much money so I help you out so?
Me and my friend P was from high school. And we just got high school until we graduate and everything. He never put an argument to me. We always go party, drink, junk, and he never touched me nothing at all. When we wake up, he have a big cup of tea put it in front of me. So. But we just never find him as a figure to talk to. You know what I mean? Because I know I mash up the friendship. If me and him go talk, and me and him, if me lose my boyfriend, and me lose my best friend, and I have nobody to tell certain things. So nothing like that, man. I'm just good Samaritan. I'm good somebody. So now what you hear?
I hear you. You're so romantic. You can set me on the link.
But I set up on the link, you know. But you know, love slim man, you know. Woman with body. I mean, I give no man next thing my mother tell me, say me I give my little sister, man. So you have to find that the one they find your one, they find your one sister. To tell you the truth, they find your one. Because you see me not to go out and there again. And mommy say, I'm here look you up.
You know mommy's style already. Mommy is very overprotective.
Then you cook nothing?
Yeah, when you make little soup around it.
Alright, you're going to drink some. After the food going there, the pot empty.
You know, say like say our brother drink out the soup. You know, say we can't take the boy this style. I be telling you let look at that see and mommy could get some, you know.
You can't bother with me just that's why I tell them I want a space where we can have
Come here. You can't have a little conscience.
You know,
I can't drink out the whole of soup and I tell you to left some.
all them brethren they come over here and give him some. I can't mean to them man there. Because I go for me the same thing you don't give me some.
So what about me, boyfriend?
You know, they man they normally stay up there on 3 days, you don't know see you come back.
Mommy, while you know what you need, but now you know. You know what me come up and come now, I will lick you in your face.
Lick who?
Stop back and say, sister, you know me realize mommy spoil you and as we slip we slide.
I go on to go and live with the man and left me and mommy. You know what to? Come on.
Try remember say you're gonna have woman here. So continue treat with some. You have woman and you have pick me. So know what you do.
And you're trying to come back and tell me you want to $10. Can you lunch money me not give you? Make your friend give you.
Who ever give lunch money? You ever give me lunch money yet?
Me not give you lunch money all the while.
What say my father build this, you know? My father build this and he take care of the whole of you.
That's why I'm dead and
I can't run out the whole of you anytime, so no go on.
Don't worry yourself, you go hungry again, here.
Hungry again, no wait.
You name the on papers?
Who for name on the paper? Who left on the will? You left on will? Me left on the will.
What we are going to share it.
Bet you go on, yeah. You just bet you go on. I should me know what me say nothing, you know, come let us coffee me that this, you know.
Bright. Bad influence.
Bad influence. And dirty people by my father. That's why me tell us me can't wait. If you just fix up the place and come out, we're going to just roll you out that is.
And you know what say? I see him saying look dirty people used to beat up mommy, you know. But in a tribe I feel like say I want to come beat up everybody in here.
And mommy used to love be beating, you know. I'm going to go up on my man because we can't manage him and something here. And mommy love be beating. When mommy tell you that, because you see, when we used to give him a sort of running bed, when we cut like a dog so we can't listen with people.
Oh, so left because we can't take stress.
We gone.
Hold on, right?
Before I'm there, where I want sis?
Okay.
But you want? You, when me a page about today, because I come to your boyfriend say and sleep, right? So I tell her, link me. But when I try to tell you now, I tell you, land me a buyer now. I want 1 million. But unfortunately, I want 1.5. But now when you sell 40, you'll get it back. The bank, just run it to the bank to get back the money.
Now we start out with you, man.
Yeah, man, so that I do this. I will it out. So you good though?
Yeah, me alright.
You
You know, say you're my brother, you know. And maybe do anything for you.
Yeah, man, so enough respect, man. Because you have to call to me and everything, know what you said. You know, so me not let you down. Said you. Me have some contract that come up, said there's some work to deal with. So, soon as the money comes, you more clear back the loan. Me just want to buy the land that me can somebody else want to buy it to. So, me just want to secure and have it. I won't need it. You understand? What about Monday? We could get the money by Monday because I get it my boy and foreign.
Yeah, man, check me Monday.
We can't get it Monday.
Just call me before you come.
Yeah, man, we do that.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes, guys, so you know it's a boy Puppy Dan, and I'm back with another banger prank. So you know, so me I go drop money in the road, you see me, and while them I take up it, me use a string and pull it away. So make sure so you just subscribe, like, share, and comment, and share up the content them. So come in now, go set the money now, guys. Yeah, guys, so you just stay tuned. To see money here, so I tie string for my foot. So I just put the money in the road, and when them take up it, I just pull it away. So stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so there you got the money right there. Yeah, guys, so I just waiting on them to walk up.
Tugger a big boy. So you must know when they must know my friend.
Tugger would be mad from yesterday and Tugger don't come home.
No.
I stress out, mommy. No, sir.
Not just yourself over nobody.
Girl. Oh, this money I'm also backside. No, sir. Oh, this money I'm also no, sir. Oh, you can't run, sir.
Never know say me down.
Me not even laugh.
Where you love Ram, so?
I want YouTube channel me up, man. That's why me I do prank.
You can't do money prank. Me know say a prank, but me well want a little change. You could get it?
No, sir. More again about to prank other people. Yeah, guys, so they made it to the end of the video and we get their reaction. So tell the people them to subscribe.
So yes, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell, and support my cousin.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell.
Oh, I think me walk look for you see him.
No, so I see Tugger from what day.
From yesterday, Tugger gone and he no come back. Me stress out. We have to walk look for him all about the place. All right then, later.
No good though.
Yeah, man. If you see him, tell him to come in yard.
All right.
Where you come from?
Yeah, where you come from?
From morning, me I love it, I look for you. You have a mummy worried. Make you careless, so.
Where you look for me for me or something for you?
Don't worry yourself, here you see anything
want to
sweet,
not
you
look
go
for me.
sour you.
No, you look for me, man.
Tugger, where you come from?
Where road me I come from?
From yesterday until now?
Me tell you the truth. I did down a quarry yard yesterday that I'm besting. And my family then they go a country. So I just go with them and that's why I never reach home back.
You feel so you're a man, so you can pick up yourself and go anyway. That's why they have your talk say, me spoil you. So what you do now? You want to show them say, I spoil me, really spoil you. Why you pick up yourself and go and me don't know which part you're there? So nobody don't have no credit.
They never have no credit.
So wait, no, listen on to me, listen on to me. Don't say nothing to me. You are no man, you want me to push off your face?
Me never...
Come back on here, sir. Eh? Where that this thing for?
Me never know.
You never know, you don't know, say no so you grow. That's why they have your talks and me spoil you. Because you just feel like say everything if you just do and get away with it. And also this thing go.
I never know, say me...
Look here, there is a limit to everything. Just find yourself up a yard. Straight up there you go right now.
Yeah. One. There. Alright. Yeah, so far. So you look so. So what? Stress, stress. Don't worry yourself. The stress is over today. You know my best friend, right? You tell me, say, I want a woman, and I feel like I am a right girl for you.
How you know me a right girl for you?
Personality-wise, girl, and aside from that, you're calm. You're humble. You can cook, you can clean. So yes, you accept me and I know you're faithful. I don't think you're that guy will go keep on because I never know you're faithful born in your past relationship. So yes, so we say that give him a chance.
Let me see what can want.
Alright, then we'll give you a number. Because I not make you text no man first, you don't know your code.
By the way, you have money?
Well, he hardworking, plus his sister man, he's a manager supervisor for bank. So if he's not working, he's start working. And the family transaction come through.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Good. So you have to go cook some lunch now, okay?
Right now.
Alright then, girl. Remote. You better say don't watch, will you? I'm going to roll up 2 flowers one. Someone ever sleep. Right! Jesus, you can't sleep, sir.
I'm tired, I'm recording now.
So this is Roy and Roy Lisa.
Nice to meet you. You're such a strong girl. You know something like them strong.
I know you're a time, but a long time we are friends. But anyways, we're going to make you have no time. You alright?
You see
Me
it,
go
man.
alright?
Yeah, I'm best friend now. You not trying nothing. If you just not working, you work. And if you work, you work.
You
But I
go
good
work. I
somebody.
like her. I like how she look. Alright. Look.
So go sit
Come
down.
sit down with that, man.
Later, here.
You eat already?
Mm-hmm.
So finally now I put a face to the texting. I've been texting for a while.
Mm-hmm.
But you look shy like you know I take no picture. Can I take a picture but you know send none but in person.
But did I already tell you to go on my Instagram with us enough picture where you want to see?
But seeing you now in person even better though, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you do for fun though?
Mostly stay inside, you know?
I love that about them. I love a woman who stay in. But some of them girls that will come and smile time all over the place, you know? And so I feel like we should go somewhere. You wanna go somewhere and even go walk and chill out or something?
No problem.
Please go gentlemen.
Yes, my baby. How are you? Good?
Hey, babe. So you're back to the babe.
You know what I say? See, when you say one girl, I say you go to you and bling bling when you buy a shake, and you know say female always like bling bling, but me no. Just work, you know. Oh yes, Lord.
Thank you, baby. Come on, baby. That's so special.
Hold on. Take it off.
Knock, me can come in?
Yeah man, come in. You're no stranger, I know what's going on first time you come. How you been though?
Good so far.
Some feel say they are ghost me, you know. You don't people for me so.
You just know what to give me right vibes, so I have to leave you alone.
So tell me vibes you want me to get. Or if you tell me it's the other way you want to get you know.
Are you for show me the right vibes? I know for these girl vibes to make them want you.
Now something in mind, I'll get something for a drink and then
Are you have to figure out what me like?
I'll figure it out. So what am I gonna do? To set the mood right, get the right place and also the vibes castle.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna get some where drink.
Water or some fruit juice.
You think you want vibes like you want to look at alcohol or something?
No, I don't drink alcohol.
Smoke?
Yeah.
Wait, I'll be getting first and then that soon come. Alright?
Shocker. What, girl?
Yeah. Where are you? Then I'm not enough to eat.
Girl, me so cook. He said, girl, this man and my boyfriend come look for me, and guess what? He buy me these.
Oh, that is very nice.
So they're pretty.
Yeah, I like them.
Yeah. We just fix him up nicely. So yeah, go with me.
You know, so I just come from work though, and we go change and something. I'm saying I go call and check. Cause them let me off early today. Oh, your sister and your brother.
Well, you know my sister, she alright. But my brother, him is a headache. Sometimes I feel to murder him. But me not make nobody stress me.
You're young enough, so you have to understand. You can't do think like that, you're going to murder him or something. You understand? You have to just talk to him, or you make your big sister talk to him, and if he cannot be talked to, you bring him at some therapy or something. You never tried that before?
You me tell you something about the little boy then. Him a get out of control. You see, because in father house, he feel like saying enough to listen to nobody. And because his father used to beat up mommy, he feel like saying have control over everybody in here. You understand? And me not take nothing with him. Him no want no therapy. A body him bad like his father. He take up every step of his father. Mommy can't, I mean, you notice with mommy too? She spoiled the little boy. He not even talk to the little boy, make the little boy know say wrong. So his parents are doing so. I mean, I make him come in and control nobody in here. No want no therapy. A lick he want. I can't go lock him up with down a station and make him beat him up down there.
Well, I don't know if it was just sending off from it. Anyways, I'm not stay too long with you. So come on the food done.
Alright.
Love your shoes, you see?
Someone see you back again though.
Maybe.
I really have fun, you know what I mean? And I really see myself on long journey. So if there's no problem, just tell me a problem. You understand? I mean, just because my time, you know, so you kind of look a bit shy. You're gonna tell me. At first time I go out and think, you couldn't tell me about the vibes and things. Because I really mess me up. I'm a friend tell her.
Yeah.
My best friend, because I call her and I vent to her and I tell her how I feel depressed. Just now you're fine. Because you come here the first time, I'm going to see you back.
You know, for something, I remember when you said it turned me off. You know, one sentence can turn off somebody, right?
Well, so my time, you know.
And sometimes you don't know, you're not conscious of what I say, just talk.
But so my time, I just your eyes and the space between the teeth kind of affect me. And your lips. So I just say something, so I don't know what I say.
Okay, next time I go back my face.
Come on, you look
So you
good,
can
man.
be yourself.
No, you just have you don't feel like me in love, you know?
Oh, okay.
You know what I say, the feeling I get, you know? It's like when we used to in love back in the days. Now when we have to food we don't want to eat. First time meet and we talk and we hang out and go places. Now when we come back home, not to food now, we just feel like we're the on top of the world. And then we couldn't eat after that. It kind of makes me mess, you know? That's a love stay. So anyway, look at rain go fall and I have something errands to run. You want to stay or you going back?
You know, so I have to go home, I have some things to do.
Alright then, so I'm going to carry out to the park and I can get a drive. And then we want to see you back, alright?
Birthday.
So it takes me so long to reach here. Why attitude? What is the attitude now, baby? What? I don't understand. They say to meet you, I thought I'm going to meet you earlier than when you expect. So why the attitude now?
Stop going like you don't know. Why you buy Shaka nice, white, clean shoes with bling, bling, bling and don't buy it for me? Me need that same shoes with the same bling, with the same style and with the same lace and the same size.
Same shoes, same. Come on, baby, man. You don't know, sir. I just. Oh, and she really tell us to me bye.
We are best friend. What you expect? She gonna tell me anything. And it's like how we are best friend. If you have best friend chain, a match, so we have best friend shoes to match. So you are gonna buy me the same shoes we buy or else shop lock.
Oh, God, man. Come on, where you want to lock shop and I know? I know, sir. You is my future. She's just the past. So if she even get one little shoes, she shouldn't even make that worry your baby. But as you say, you want the same exact shoes, I'm going to get you that same exact shoes.
You talk about me should have a problem with sharing shoes. I mean, you should have buy shoes first now, since it's me and your future. You think it's me idiot? You can't go me.
No, baby, no. Listen, no get you the shoes. If I don't see that tomorrow.
Make sure.
Yeah, no call, yeah? Oh, God. What umbrella?
Oh yes, Nico, read that go.
That's all. What you want to the umbrella? Yo, me. Hold yourself. I'm going to get some big money. Listen. Your sister accident. You don't see. You don't know what about it. My mind, you don't see.
No, remember, you have to do something more there.
Don't worry about that. You come.
No man, I want to make your Facebook stuff.
I can't believe that they really gonna set me up on.
What do you mean?
First thing, 2 star. Second thing, 1 minute and couple seconds. And then I can't tell me about how you want second one. Second one for the war.
What you say? 1 minute?
Yeah.
Then I open the phone because I'm my best friend. But oh God. Then you see that I go through?
You
My treat a good way, don't it?
Yeah, you're already in treatment, but you know.
Oh girl. Me go help the situation in case with my person. He function and I know when he ready to, me not tell no lie. So me normally buy something and he rub it on the, you know already. And it's stiff and stay for long. Long to get to it. So me go buy one for him. So you don't have no more complaint.
You're not gonna kill me.
No man. So you don't want it long. Long hours you want to make it long hours.
But we don't want to kill me at the same time.
No man, they can't kill you. So you're good with that?
Yeah, because that's their only fault, so if you do that maybe, you know.
Alright, let's say a word.
You can make a thing go on by Wednesday because on Wednesday I'm the off and on Wednesday I want to check him.
Yeah man, we can make him get it. I'll get in the morning and can go get in the evening. What one, right?
Boy, I just now look at depression, my friend. What one?
Not that thing. So you just sit on so?
Well, I just meditate, I will have meditation. So
I want problem again, man.
If you give me that girl there, she just stress me out.
And you said you want the girl because she look good and so?
She look good, but she have a piece of stuff. She just full. She want to work all night, all day. She want to work all night, all day.
But are you used to both say them the woman there you want? We can give you every hour and the hour. So now you complain. Drink up some papa roots and you that.
And I really me a complain, or she a complain. You understand? Because I do what I can do and enjoy herself. But she, since later she has said she not get enough. You know what I mean? I tired yes most of the time, so I tired, I just well a vibe, but she have a special time I come up and now. But she said she have a special, I know what I'm going to do. I'm confused. I tell him call and tell about man.
Me have a remedy, man. Don't worry yourself. Because sometimes my man fall short doing it, but I love him, so I have to just stick with him.
But the thing where I carry natural.
Don't worry yourself. This year, just stand up all night. Just need to rub this here. Yeah, man. Stone, that is stone. Rub it on you. You hear that? And you're firm. You never soft back. Whole
So
night
rub,
you can
is the one a new though?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I buy for my spouse. You see same place where I buy for him. When you call me and tell me just buy one for you too. So for him one day I make sure you carry this one. When you use this upon her, you know. She don't want more sex for right now, you know, so you go good in that kind of way.
You know, I not to trust them. Yeah, is it natural?
It's natural.
Or like on a herbal place about it?
Yes.
For the natural, and I blend the earth. I'll give you a try. Is it dangerous though?
We can have like a faith in me. We tell us some music for my partner because sometimes it kind of like fragile and spongy. And when you put it on it, I eat that.
Alright, so I go on differently?
Not really, I go on, you know.
A long time we not going to still enough smart to go tour around the place and see what I go on. You know.
That is it. You need to go take a walk. When you find a woman, me just see her behave certain way like you remember say, me and your friend for a longer years.
No man, I work issue. Can you see the loan I take out for you? But you don't pay white people, me have to pay them back, you know. I should be your best friend, you know. Because I don't know what flying in my head. I go take out $500,000 loan for you and you not work. And then you pick up one man and not work. So now I'm here to take care of that. But everything good. This is because I'm your friend. Don't worry yourself. I'll try this still because you see after them birthday and the girl come over, I really want to satisfy her even one time or two times. But you know what I mean? I want to satisfy her. You know what I mean?
You just a complain.
We're going to try this.
You say me and your friend, you just remind me about the loan. Me didn't have a little difficulty to help me out. You just singing at me ears, singing at me ears. When me find a work, I will pay you back how I can. That's what friends do with one another.
Alright, me not complain, I'm just saying it to you though. For a reason, right? So, no worry yourself, but just talk about it though, because then I change the 1,000 now. One is 20,000 and it gets free, you see? So, we're going to pay half the band, don't worry yourself about that, man. When you have the money, we give them back. Call today, we don't worry about
Me,
that.
I tell you sometime, me have him, I will give you back.
Yo, you know what? We'll go out later. I'll check you.
You go later?
Yeah, I'll rent a drive and go out later. So, I'll pay you in the night. But I'll rub on this, and then she go forward. And after the forward on the night, because she come early because she go back somewhere. She call me. So I rub on this here, and then she go forward, and then I will link you afterwards and we go up on the road. So
How time later with you?
But about 8 o'clock, I come check out your yard, man.
Alright, then. I say a word.
Me just say move in the wall house, the wall room, and everything, but me
I
know...
go fully for information.
You know, your mother tell me, I know all the reason. I just say, you know, see a girl move in the room, it's a liar tell. Because you're a girl full of ambition. I don't say that you're a bit, but differently. I get money from finish up room and me have to kill myself. But you don't say, boy, you do me rough, you know. Come here, your friend, I'm not worried about
Left that for one next day, man. Left that.
I can't check it still.
Because no matter any little thing or any little difficulty you face, you can come over. Because this I can drop down any time, you can collapse and you still have to go rocky with me.
Alright.
Make that turn, man.
If I even on the settee while you're a man up on the bed, I can dip on the settee.
Man, that is it. I run out, man. You're my friend like that, you know.
Alright.
So little more. Remember me call me later.
Yeah, man. If me ain't never best friend or that, you know you see. You go on.
Betrayal.
I just say best friend and best friend don't make good soup. You go on. So walk you now. You see if you walk you now. But it's a hot man. Alright. That's enough. Hello. Hello. The place look good though, but yo. Stop winding up yourself now, man. Look how I'm coming. People coming and hurt here, you know. The door open up and you know wine and turn your back to the door.
Me don't want it. Nobody now come in can hurt me. So what?
When I do wicked thing happen,
I want.
I have a problem.
So tell me you just have a problem, have a problem. What go on?
Lisa says she a come check me. And even me down the yard and wait for Lisa, you know. Rubber hand is something. Where you give me for rubber hand. And right now it's stand up and now back down.
So Lisa not come and check you? So you not try back here and say to me, good on.
No do them thing there, you know. Different from that though. I talk to somebody and then tell me say, all the one thing I can do is actually have sex.
Alright, come, me have a little piece of change, I think. We can carry our pink house. Come now.
But them say me have to have sex without condom. Because there's something about the juice out of the female is gonna reduce the something where you put power penis. And you why you give me that for? Why you give me it for?
Oh, you have to manage.
You just hurt me. You have to help me.
Huh?
You have to help me.
Go again.
You have to help me.
Do what?
Take off your clothes and leave. Take off your clothes.
Eh?
Take off your clothes.
No, you're best and I rate you so much, but right now I not even know if my man no be coming. But you need.
He's not coming no, man. Because you don't tell me time schedule, because tonight we are going to party, so you know say you're not coming. When you talk earlier, man, I shouldn't balance it, you know.
Actually, they tell me, say, I'll get come on. You have to go.
I feel your friend, I give me girl, no girl can't tie me up the way.
You have to go come out then. You try call her.
She not get her phone.
You have to go come out then.
You can't.
We can't help you go outside.
You're my best friend, you know. Yeah. And you give me that after rubber band, you know, man.
Oh, this never happened to me and my partner yet.
But when you rubber band, you give him sex, right?
Yeah.
So give me the sex same, you know.
Me can't help you, man. Me can't help you go outside or take a doctor, but me can't do it.
They say me got doctor will cut off you, know.
Doctor now cut off it. That me then telling me something there. They might put it in a bucket of ice, cramp it and make it go down. Come. Come me help you. Come no ride. Get up, man, before me man come no ride.
It hurt me. Calm down, man. Calm down. Try call Lisa, man.
Not even know my phone there. Where your phone? Me try call her. Give me. Oh God.
Oh. If I know I wouldn't have done that, man.
Me nah get her in alright.
Just give me something now.
Come on for that man, me must get her with me. Me glad you find the strength to go up. Me nah get her. Put the phone in your pocket. Come let me help you out.
No, my class, man.
You got doctor?
My class, man, came here, so I can't.
She know me follow you. No bother beg she make you.
Yo, boy there. Pick me up, I'm going to the hospital right now. Alright. Yeah, man, we're going to have my friend there. Yeah, from best friend there. Alright, right now. Alright, me general, do that.
You want to make little teeth in come? You want me follow you? Eh?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Mr. Bad.
Oh, you have yourself on me follow you?
I'm good.
If God is with me, oh. And then I sit there and I tell them, oh, you're reaching now. You're nasty. What?
See, I'm trying me and trying to listen.
Be what? You're buying? Oh, you're reaching now. You're pooper thief.
You know what I'm doing? Come on.
Come out. Yeah, come on. Why
I'm
not?
not think I have to come in there.
And then you're part of territory this. Come out. How you did it from morning, B?
Road.
And you left the place open.
Me tell you, say, me no like when you ask me when me I come from. You deal with me like me and your pitney.
Me I deal with the like little pitney. A while ago, tag and me come see a China shoes because you left the house open. Now pitney style them, me give you breakfast, you left everything there so.
What you mean? Your brother try on me shoes. Me no want to lick down the boy there now. Me tell you to talk to him now.
Take time when you talk to me. I still my brother and if you talk to him so and do him so. So no come go on like you want come disrespect me brother. If you're the lucky place be when I left this morning, me give you breakfast, everything for the close the place in Ulu come inside.
So you there for? You know what? Me not come here for this, you know. Want to me stew?
Where you stew? Anywhere you go back and get your stew.
B, and me not come here for this. Just go on about something. Me hungry.
Give me a favor, me rest first. When me rest and wake up back, you will get your stew. Don't sound man, you come first.
Lovita.
The devil strong, devil you
Are you me come to? Oi.
Devil you now win today.
Are
Miss
you
Russell.
me come to talk to you?
Yes, Miss Russell.
You say you and my brother are friend. Eh? And my brother in a them the situation there and you not try to solve the problem. Me can't believe. Right now, right in a hospital because you not help him. You a fall person when take for such a friend in that do anything for you.
That's what I tell you. That's what I really tell you. Give me 1 minute, let me talk. I show me respect you, you know. And because me rage right, you know. You know disrespect you, know. Why you just step inside my house like that?
Me no want to hear nothing from you. Me can't believe Sarai help you so much in your life. Anything you want, any problem you're in here, he help you with it. Right, come and bang to me. Come borrow loan. And me give it to him. 1.5. And he take up all of 500,000 and give you.
That's what friends are for.
And you couldn't help him in a them the dangerous situation there. You is not a friend. You know they feel none tall. You are right and no friend.
So right true.
Me no want you take him for no friend. I know so friend treat friend. Right now, in private part, in a problem because you never help him.
Are you near right? I must you near right. You're enough, but I respect me just tell you know. I respect when me have you as a big woman, why me not answer you know. I the respect when me have for you. Me never tell your brother ask me to help him out, like your brother not tell you whole story. Your brother say he can't get to please the woman when you want to please him. That he come to me find out. If he know a woman there that go give him me, why he rub upon him? Me explain everything to him, integrity, how if he use everything, sitting there and stone, to rub upon him penis. And I gave it to him and he used it. So how is that my fault? And my friend would have never looked for him not sleep with my friend. Me tell him say to go to the back wall. And he feel like he bigger than back road, he never fi go.
You is a wicked girl. Right asks if it's something to rub on him private part as a friend. And you give it to him and the girl not turn up. And you say, you and him a friend. And you couldn't help him out. You left him in a problem. Till him and him penis in a problem now. Eh? Right now, they so no good again. You understand the operation no work out good. Then cut some wrong part, down in private part they so. And cause big problem right now. In penis in a problem. No use you no have again because you don't help him out as a friend. But no worry yourself. I'm a brother. I'm sorry for what happened to him. But me no fool. Me no idiot. Me I go sue them. You understand? And me don't talk to my lawyer about it already. And my lawyer don't tell me say I want big piece of money that he have to get. Because they could have killed Rai. Me I come out to your place. Don't worry yourself.
Have a good day, Miss Russell. Tell Rai we can look for him soon.
You have a good day.
I best wife, you know.
I know that.
Me hungry though, I want something. You want to go something for me? Me hungry, go on about something.
Me I go cook for you.
Hold on the babes. You know say you want a good girl.
Me know that.
You know Keisha. You know say Keisha my best friend for school days. You know say Keisha girl do anything for me. Anything at all.
You know that. I mean I like her. What?
Babes, I'm my best friend. How you feel like
your best friend, not my best friend. Where say happen?
That's what me I say. Alright. She don't want life and death situation. Like that. With your friend. So a situation like for your friend. Would I help her, you know? Would I give her my thing?
That are you. You and me and me.
About I'm my best friend and a life and death situation. Really? And that's why I don't like talking, you know, because you're dark and fool.
More fool. Somebody have sense.
Sis,
What good? I thought thing you hungry like a dog.
so when last year find your best friend?
My best friend, who right? But 1 month I had now. I hear from Rai or see Rai.
Well, massa, me hear say come out of the hospital. And the funniest part, me hear say boss buy a house and he buy car.
You say?
Big house and car, me say.
Feel me right?
Yes.
So why not come link me? And if you still have me up to me, go look for you in the hospital.
Me hear say when the doctor didn't do surgery on him something. They cut your wrong card. He something couldn't do nothing. So his sister help him sue the doctor them. And that's what me hear say him make one heap of money. And him a braff out and cash out. And right now, me they are hungry and I suffer. Mommy a suffer. Nothing na go on for none of we. And we look brother around there will be a problem. And I your best friend. So the best thing you do is see if you can hook a piece of money off of him.
That not sound bad enough, but and if he still can't do things them for me. Cause he have me up kind of normally that call and text. Me no hear from him, me no see him, he no call and he no text. And on a right style that. But I'm my best friend and he always have me back over the past years. So I think that change. So I go and explain to him, say nothing now go on, and me now work. And all we can do is just hungry and suffer so. The man not even that give me no money, you know, left me if you want to do there. Kind of serve no purpose.
Girl, you don't know say Rice softy already. So all you have to do is just sweet talk him and get piece of money your friend, cause boss buy a big house and big car. But I want to ask you. I want king size bed or something.
Calm down yourself. You go over the road too quick. You know say soft to me. So me go ask him and see when he can give me. You're a big man too, you know. You're my little sister, but you're a big man. So you have to try to fend for yourself. You can't just depend on me, but you want king size bed than this. Now get jealous of this, yeah. After him see your money fix up your son, box up your me happy feet. And next man there, next man now do pimp for me. Right now come like me, I regret saying me never give none. Cause boy always go hard to me. And he never put no words to me like that until one night time he fall in difficulty. And I never help him. And look what we do now.
Me dey a telephone when say, give me the boy. And you check when you want fat girl. You say single like this. Me sure say you single like your man love you every day and give you no money.
No matter what I say, make that stay. Make that stay. Now go ask him still. I go check him in the morning. Which part he live? Don't know where he live.
Round a West End, gated community, lot 403. Me I forget the whole like information because I know you never go around there. And I want to make sure.
Well, me go a morning. Because I go and be hungry. Me thirsty.
And that them why they are running for running away. Because when he come and me no like him, guy look broke.
I know that. From it make it place. You see him sheet me if you take off and I wash put it back on. You see him curtain them. The place might look big and nice, you know. But not all in it. The place one furniture out. The place one sheet and so because I love nice sheet and curtain and the boy don't do nothing.
Run him away. Because the place nice, you know. But right now you live life where some young girl now live right now. So be grateful.
I'm hungry like a dog.
So money I'm dirt. Thank God we not name none. Well, can we watch 2 Netflix now because you don't know say. To the Netflix no pay for.
Right.
No. When me sick and want your help, you never did that for me, right? So
Stop going so man.
I don't think so we are no friend, right? So right now, I live a different life. So move up so, that's what I live now. You understand? I just focus. My woman upstairs, I don't want to see her because the woman here, in the hospital, I find her. And she took my nurse. So I don't live there, so I don't want, you know, she inside and say, I come out there, she could watch what I go on.
Just so stop, no son of me, you know your best friend don't like me, you talk.
You're not my best friend. A best friend will never leave me like, oh, you leave me, right? But maybe it's a good reason because now I have money now. Because what them do to me wrong, to correct it, them have to give me a compensation. So, what I want you to do now, I want you to just figure about me and you as a best friend. Because every time you want something, I give you, right? You want this, me give you anything you want, me give you. But at one time you give me something, you couldn't turn up. You can't talk to you.
Right, you can't give me more money. You can't give me more money.
If me give you my money, you go strike me.
We don't live so.
Give me now. Leave me alone.
Come now.
Leave me alone now. Leave me alone. Leave me alone and go on.
Oh, go on, cuz.
There, man, that's all I meant, you know. Very fun.
Where you big sister, they love it.
Sure, no man.
Ah, I will check it.
Alright, let's see her.
Lobita. Yes, guys. So you know, say I'm back with one more new prank. Banger, banger. So because the Lobita asleep, so I just mess around. So stay tuned.
You know you're wrong tomorrow.
Oh God.
Oh, you're reaching here.
That talk send me and tell me say you're on it.
You be top man foolishly say no
Say hi to
man.
the camera.
You be top man sitting there because you're getting that trouble feed.
Tell the people them to subscribe and make any camera.
Wanna subscribe?
Stay tuned. New video coming soon.
So we are dealing with.
Yeah, you know what I'm calling you about something though?
What that?
You and your best friend Roy for doing a loyalty test for my channel. You see me want, you know, I look a prank thing like.
Me know that.
Can him not still talk?
Yeah, but right, busy and less. I work on a big man, you know, ramp when it comes to certain things. So me have left that alone. But here one, do it for Shaka. You will get a better reaction from Shaka. Shaka have a nice best friend. So you will get it from her.
Alright then, me I can go here.
Alright, later.
Alright.
And don't do one more prank for me. If you ramp with me again, me I go kill you in here.
Alright.
Yeah. God.
Yo, me pull one bad prank on him in the boy.
So let's go in there.
Me go check her so me see him sleep, me just pull a prank. No come on. God.
What?
Yeah.
You're good.
You know, so around here house me just come from though.
Hey, what you say?
Me ask her for deal with something for me. And she said me for ask and say you're a better person.
What that now? Hey, nobody come with a prank business in a company United. Away camera.
Nah man, that's just something I have to say. I don't know prank business. You're just a boyfriend?
Not really.
You're just your best friend though.
Of course, what you mean if me just my best friend?
You're just around your boyfriend.
Yeah.
Alright, tell me what you do. More than want to do a loyalty test for your best friend and your boyfriend. So you say me can't do it?
Well, that's not really necessary, you know, but you support and you good things still. But you're not going to get nothing where you want to get. None of we not going to disappointed. So, anytime you're ready, just let me know.
Alright, so when do?
Here what I go do. I go down, I go text and breast with her. I call her and hear what she has say and then I get back to you. Because she always busy.
Alright, thanks. Later here.
Mm-hmm. Why you take so long to come?
Girl, me did a beard, never beard, because I come from work and I did kind of exhausted, so I did take one rest, then I eat my dinner and then I go beard.
Alright, you can give me a call, please.
Of course, girl, the new man when I have, he tap me up every 2 months. I see when I leave work, I get my new tap up.
A lie. So how you have find you man and not tell me?
Calm down yourself, I forgot.
Forgot?
Here.
I say you always have moved silent for a long time. Yo. You can't come check me now, man. Yeah, me I'll wait for you. Alright.
You don't keep it hang up. Who that you call?
I'm my little cousin. The one who have the YouTube channel.
Oh, Puppy Dan.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
See
God. Oh.
Good night, cuz.
Good night.
Aye.
Good night.
Now you know how you pull a wicked prank for me.
Cuz, may I ask you a question again? You trust your man?
Yeah, me not tell you already.
So you feel like say your boyfriend would have dealt with your best friend?
No. What kind of question that?
Let me say.
Alright then. Here I want to do. I want to do a loyalty test with your boyfriend and you to see if you deal with you or something. So I want you to call him and put it on speaker.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Hey, dirty boy. How you call, babe? We have been a who this?
A mistake.
Mistake? Babe?
Guys, are you seeing this? This is really juicy stuff.
Hey, we don't want no camera for me, you know. Girl, imagine me and your best friend, we are come from far. You and me both know when we meet the boy. Girl, imagine me and your best friend, how much years now, and this you really do to me, girl.
Chakaberry, me sorry.
Sorry, but let me ask you something. You feel good when you do it? You like it? Come call him, but can't ask me something. Don't worry yourself.
Sorry, Chakaberry.
Yeah, guys, we made it to the end of the video.
Hey, don't post this, you know. Don't post, you know. Come out of my house, too. I love coming to the dirty prank, man. Come out of my house. Come go on now.
Sis.
Nothing I'm going, you know. How you want now? The time you come and something you want.
No, man, it's good.
You're too late, I'm going to school. Go get something to eat.
Yo. Why free now?
There. There, man, that's a dunce, man, you know.
Selfless crime. Lie.
See that, man, never told you again. Just put this in your pocket.
Where you get this from?
No worry, where me get it from. Put it in your pocket.
So what you want to do in my room?
Well, I'm
man, come check me.
So you come out now, no?
Well, meditation.
Go to the door. We need some privacy. I want to sleep.
Say that, man. Let's see.
Come out of my room. We need some privacy. You see you?
Go on like a fair place, I go on.
Biscuit. What is this coming?
Then go on, my friend.
Yeah, but I did say.
Anyway, get it, man.
No, man.
You know, say, it's like you love when me and you have problem. Look before you come, me put on my money for my dresser, and I can't find my money, and I alone going in the room.
You don't know nothing about that money.
Where me you don't know about no money? I mean you one day.
But look for your money in there.
Don't make me have no problem with the money.
Search my pocket.
Can you look around like
You feel say me a thief.
So what about your friend? Get up.
I search your man, man.
Box across your face.
Watch ya, box who?
Kuya, watch ya.
Me nah no money for you.
Watch ya. Where you get money from? I see him some wrap up my money and put it down in my room. So that's why I told him plan up to go in my room, go take out my money. Let me tell you something. You see, as long as I see the yard, don't come back at the yard.
You can't tell the man that.
You see, you.
Oh, you know I mean keep your money.
You see, you. Me believe see you thief the money and put it on him.
$1,000 money.
You don't look like you're a thief. You're a thief. And $1,000 money. Go work if you want money. You're a big boy.
Go back in your room, man.
You come go over your yard.
Go on your room.
Don't let me come back out and come see you.
Get grimy.
Get grimy. You're not coming and come beat up everybody. We're going to look beside your pop.